If you want to add HTML in Mailchimp, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can create a fully custom email campaign instead of using a standard drag and drop layout. This is perfect if you already have your own HTML template, want more design control, or need to paste in code from a developer or your own branding setup. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Mailchimp tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign in to your Mailchimp account and go to the campaign section. This is where all of your email campaigns are created and managed. Once you're inside, click Create, then choose Email, and then select Regular. This creates a standard email campaign, which is exactly what you need when you want to use a custom HTML template. Next, Mailchimp will ask you to name your campaign. Give it a clear and descriptive name so you can find it later without confusion. For example, you might name it based on the promotion, newsletter, or project it belongs to. After entering the name, click Begin to continue. Now comes the important part. During the email setup process, look for the option that says Code Your Own or Use HTML to code my own. This is the option that lets you build your email using your own HTML instead of Mailchimp's drag and drop editor. If you already have a coded template, this is the correct path to choose. After that, Mailchimp may give you different ways to add your template. In most cases, you'll either paste HTML code directly into the editor or import and upload an HTML file if that option is available on your account. Choose the method that matches how your template is saved. If your design is already written in code, pasting it in is usually the fastest method. Once the editor opens, add your HTML template. If you're pasting code, place the full HTML email code into the editor. If you're uploading a file, select the correct HTML file from your computer. Make sure your template includes everything it needs, including content, images, links, and formatting, before moving on. Missing assets can cause the email to display incorrectly later. Now take a moment to edit the HTML template directly if needed. You can update the text content, adjust colors, swap out images, change buttons, update links, refine branding, and even modify the layout. This is one of the biggest advantages of using HTML in Mailchimp because you have far more control over the final design and presentation. After making your changes, preview the email carefully. This step is extremely important because it helps you catch issues before your audience sees them. Check that images are loading correctly, links are working, the text formatting looks clean, and the layout appears properly on both desktop and mobile devices. A quick preview can save you from sending out an email with broken formatting or missing content. If everything looks good, click Save and Exit to return to the campaign builder. From there, complete the rest of your campaign settings. That includes choosing your recipient audience, setting your from name, entering your from email address, writing your subject line, and adding preview text if you want to improve open rates. Before sending anything to your full audience, always send a test email first. This is a smart step because it lets you see how your HTML template renders in real inboxes and different email clients. Open the test message, inspect the layout, and look for any display issues, spacing problems, or broken images. If something looks off, go back and make the necessary edits before continuing. Once you're happy with everything, you're ready to send your campaign. Click Send, and Mailchimp will deliver your HTML email to your audience. That's it. You've now learned how to add HTML in Mailchimp and build a custom email campaign from start to finish. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Mailchimp walkthroughs, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.